Hey guys, Mitch with I-95 Muscle. Gonna show you a quick install you can do to your Ecoboost Mustangs today. This is a blow-off valve adapter from Steeda, and it's only 60 bucks if you buy it from LMR. Comes with the longer screws you're gonna need, the CNC'd aluminum piece that's gonna let the gas escape from right here instead of all through the hoses that are in there. Everything you're gonna need to install it should be in my hands here, a little Allen head out of our socket kit. And what we're going to do is be taking off this stock blow-off valve and reinstalling it to this adapter with the longer bolts. But first we're going to do some before videos so you can see the difference when we do after videos. So we put a little dab of grease on the O-rings on the Steeda adapter here, and you can see that that pattern is only going to go on one way. This oblong one that pokes out more than the other two is your top one, and it matches the shape of your factory blow-off valve. So the O-rings will try to fall out if you don't put any grease on them. So we greased it a little bit, gonna try to wiggle it down in there and get a firm connection. Same thing with this one, just put it back where it goes. And I got something in the way. There we go. And we'll put in the longer bolts. These are the bolts that came out. Those are the bolts that came out, are going in. And we'll have some after videos for you in just a second. All right, so we started the install at 3:32. It is 3:42, so it took a total of 10 minutes to put in. We didn't have to take off the coolant reservoir or anything, but you can see that it is in place now. And we're gonna start it up, and we'll do our after videos. You guys can see the difference. It is so cool. So there you have it, 60 bucks well spent. Something Ford should probably start doing from the factory. Just makes your car sound a little bit more serious, letting that boost blow off the way it's supposed to. Thanks for watching.